Hi friends, welcome to Paru's Healthy Kitchen. Today is a very important festival day, but that is called as Varalakshmi Puja, and it's celebrated in southern states. They do a big puja with decorating the Lakshmi, the goddess Lakshmi, and also they offer lot of sweets and savories. So it is celebrated in a big way. So I am making a dish, prasad as you call it, called sweet pongal. In Tamil it is Sakkarai Pongal. So for that I am using about this is the measure. I have taken about 3/4 measure of raw rice and quarter measure of moong dal and 1 tablespoon chana dal. Now this both chana dal and moong dal had to be dry roasted and mixed with rice and washed thoroughly, and I have added about 2 measures of milk and 1.5 measures of water, and I have cooked it in the pressure cooker. So it is already ready. This is the cooked rice and dal mixture. Now we will start making this. So I have taken about 1 tablespoon ghee and I am adding the cashew nuts or kaju and allow it to slightly become light brown. Now this has become light brown. I am adding the raisins or kismis. Yeah, very nice fragrance. I know in the video you can only see but you can't smell it. Yes, now it's getting ready. So now the kaju and kismis are ready, fried and ready. There is some ghee left in the pan, so I am adding about 2 measures of the gur to this, and about some water will have to be added for it to melt. See, the jaggery is getting boiled and you can see the foam in this. I don't want it to become hard, but at the same time it should be syrupy so that when you add the rice, it is easy to make it into a homogeneous mixture. So I'll wait for another few minutes. See, adding this rice dal mixture, as soon as the jaggery melts, will not give you the proper item. It will have to be, you will have to wait till the jaggery is ready by boiling it and getting the foam like this. So now it is becoming thicker. You can make it out. Now I will add the rice and dal mixture. this will have to get mixed well with the jaggery. So mix well and allow it to boil for some more time. So now you can see the dal rice mixture and the gur jaggery have got mixed well into a homogeneous mixture. Now to this I am going to add the cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, and let me stir it. You need to make this, you need ghee, yes, slightly more, then it tastes good. Now I'll be adding about, this is 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, yes, about 4 I have added. Mix it well. Now it is ready, and I have already fried the kaju and kismis, cashew nuts and raisins. It has been fried in ghee. So this will have to be added. Let me remove it in that pan and then I will add this. Yeah, so I have removed it in this. So I am adding, it is like a garnishing. We'll add the fried kaju and kismis. So this is the sweet pongal or sakkare pongal is ready for tasting. It is being a festival day, it will be offered to the goddess and then it will be tasted. Thank you very much. So, and for your convenience, I am posting the recipe also. Thank you.